Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha states, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was commanded to give his wives option to choose either the world or the hereafter, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam started with me saying, I am going to tell you something, and there is no harm if you do not look sharp in giving reply, and consult your parents. Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam knew it well that her parents would never instruct her to split with him. Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha said that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, translation, O the communicator of unseen prophet, say to your wives, if you wish the life of the world and its adornment, then come, I provide you wealth and leave you in a well manner. And if you wish Allah and His Apostle and the home of the hereafter, then undoubtedly Allah has kept prepared for the well-doers among you a great reward. The Confederates, verse 29. Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha says that she said, what is there to consult with my parents? I wish only Allah's pleasure, His Apostle's pleasure, and goodness in the abode of hereafter. Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha says, then the other wives of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam decided like me. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3665.